Well, I'm back. I had to leave really quickly because I was running late for work. And so now I'm back and the sun is setting. And I still have good amount of sunlight left to finish sowing those sweet pea seeds that I was planning to earlier. And maybe I'll sprinkle some cilantro seeds too, because I couldn't find a lot of cilantros coming up. But I did water all the garden and then install the new hose for you, and I'll show you in a bit. But this is a little garden vlogging that we have going on here on a breakthrough, beautiful sunny day in Oklahoma City. Highs of like 80s in the middle of winter. So I'm very much appreciative of this beautiful weather, and I'm going to have to maximize it. We're going to be planting a bunch of stuff, starting out with the sweet pea seeds over the garden, and then where I'm going to put those roses that I got from Lowe today. I guess I should take you around to see the sunset. Maybe we will see the garden in the sunset here a little bit once I finish the seeds. Do you want to watch me plant the seeds? Super duper easy. Let's see. Let's set you here. Alright. So, I'm not sure if you guys have seen the garden from this angle before. Looks pretty cool. The umbrella's in the way. We don't really use that umbrella. But, Oklahoma wind friendly. Sweet peas. These is actually one of my favorites because enormous. It's really big and colorful. Has all my favorite colors on it, and it's super duper to sow. I kind of put my finger for an inch in there, or sometimes with the clay soil. Use this doubler thingy, so I'm going every 4 inches or so. And since I have two varieties, the Mammoth blend and the Spice sweet peas, which I like too because I like the red color. This one likes red, so I try to sprinkle in red flowers here and there for him, pinks and purples that I personally like more. So I will just go like every other seeds. I'm not gonna think too much about it. I'm just gonna pop them in the ground, cover them real quick, and then give it a good water, and then be good. Let's go. I think with enough seeds here, I can do fence areas. If you sow sweet peas in the winter, you get these gorgeous blooms in late spring or early summer. Blossom add an amazing fragrance to the garden as you walk by, and they also make wonderful cut flowers. You can cut them and put them in bud vases and sprinkle them around the house for a fresh floral smell. You'll love it. The neighbor's dog is out, and so Axel is having a cow. Got a pair of gloves. One of my favorite gloves are the Atlas gloves, because why? They fit my hands perfectly, size small. I'm sorry, I can't get these dogs to shut up, so we may have to hear them. But I love the twilight hours like this. Twilight, right? Yeah. Just that ambience, that sunset glow is so beautiful and so peaceful, minus the dogs barking. All right, well, I'm back. Didn't take you along with the planting all the seeds, but I know I was running out of time, so I had to hustle. Can maximize production time here before the sun set. It's still winter after all, and the sun set very fast. But I did end up planting all the sweet peas, Old Spice. I used up the bag. It was 3/4 full or half bag full. I wasn't sure. I got these on Amazon. I love this seed company, outcry.com. You can get them on Amazon, or you can get them on their website. And they sell out now because it's in season. Everybody would like to start the sweet peas right now if they hadn't yet in the fall. But fall got busy for me, so I have to do it right now so I can have nice spring sweet peas. Nice blooming sweet peas for the spring. So I plant it along the fence, and the soil is soft enough to where I just use my middle finger because that's the strongest. I just punch it in the ground about an inch or so, and I drop the seed. Some are a little bit more shallow, some are deeper. I just went a fistful between the seeds, and we'll see from there I probably end up damaging some seeds here next couple weeks as I in the green snapping peas, sugar snap peas, because I love those too. But y'all see the sunset and it's coming rapidly and it will go very soon. I still have the bag of Mammoth sweet peas that I got, and that is from another favorite seed company that I purchased my seeds a lot from is Garden. Love them. I actually got those, believe it or not, at my gosh, that natural food place, grocers. I don't get to go there often, but when I do, man, I stock up on wine, seeds, and all these organic natural food. As you can see, Axel's having a cow over there because the neighbor's dogs are out. But here's the sunset glow of the pool. Beautiful. And I need a glass of wine as of now. I'm gonna take a break just to pour myself a glass of wine. But before that, I will show you what I plan to do with my other bag of seeds. It's not a lot in it, but I think it's enough for me to go the planters, and then maybe outside the planters too, just double seeding them, because I really want a lot of seed. And beautiful sweet peas. Let's cut some for work. Smells so good. I'm gonna miss these guys. Making the garden feel lovely. It smells so good. Look at her. She's so beautiful. But wait till the spring, it'll be so worth it. Just the smell of the garden. Just when I'm working in the garden and I pass by my sweet peas, they smell so good. Wait, oh, just bump into Axel, sorry. Today's sunset isn't as glorious as it was yesterday, but still nice and peaceful. Love the sunset glow. And 9 o'clock, I'm gonna go pour myself a glass of wine and plant some seeds. Now we get to see some of the sunset here. Thank you so much for tuning in and letting me share with you my brief manic Monday in the garden, where I just stole a couple hours of sunshine, just kind of my Monday plan so that I can play in the garden. Went to Lowe's, got some good rose purchases that I love. Both two my favorite roses. I was able to collect them to add to my garden, and then plant some sweet pea seeds that I'm gonna be so thankful for this spring when they show up and perform. I can't wait to show you guys then, so y'all stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and join with me. Continue to tune in and follow me in my journey gardening and sharing my life with y'all. Have a good evening. Cheers.